Hi guys, welcome to another Ballet for tutorials. I'm Yelena and today we have daily stretching routine. We're going to begin by doing supple forward with legs together. Breathe in, out and hold for 1, 2, 3. Recover, breathe again and repeat the same. 1, 2, 3. Recover up. You're going to breathe and we are going to get farther down towards our legs and we're going to hold it 5, 6, 7, recover up. You're going to bring your right knee up to your chest, open to passe, and repeat forward fold and recover. Breathe again, lower down 1, 2, 3, and recover up. Last time is a longer hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and recover. Now you're going to do supple to the side towards your right leg, resting over your forearm. Recover. Bring your right foot to the other side of your left leg, torso towards your right knee, and with a gentle twist of your back, you're going to look behind you and hold it. Keep breathing. Next, you're going to place your right ankle over your left knee, and you're going to forward fold. Breathe in and out. Don't forget, second time. And hold it. 1, 2, 3. Recover up. And last time, a longer hold and a better opportunity to bring your chest even farther close to your knee. Recover up. Lower your leg down and we're going to repeat everything with the other leg. So forward fold with your leg almost in a passe position and breathe a second time. 1, 2, 3. Recover up. Breathe in, breathe out and hold. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to bend towards that leg to the side, feel the gentle stretch, recover, and next you're going to place your left foot over your right leg and torso twist toward your left knee, facing to the back. Don't forget to keep breathing in and out. Now you're going to bring your left ankle on top of your right knee and forward fold. Keep breathing. Hold it and recover up. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Recover up. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, you're going to recover up and do a butterfly position by bringing your feet together. You're going to breathe while opening chest, growing tall, gently pressing your knees down and breathe out and repeat the same. Breathe in 1, 2, 3 and breathe out. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and release down. Next, you're going to lower your back to the ground, feet planted on the floor, hips wide apart. Bring your right ankle over your left knee. Lift your left foot off the floor. And by holding with both hands behind your thigh, press leg towards your chest. And again, press 1, 2, 3, and release. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, release. You're going to change. You're going to have your other ankle over your other knee. You're going to lift that foot off the ground, hands behind your thighs, and press 1, 2, 3, and release. And again, 1, 2, 3, and release. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release. Next, while placing your left foot on the floor, lift your left leg up and while holding with both hands pressing against your chest. And again, 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds. Rest. Breathe again. 1, 2, 3. And this one's going to be even longer. We're going to keep for longer and bring your leg even closer to your chest. Release down and change to the other leg. Your hands behind your thighs, behind your calves, or right beside your ankles. Your shoes, and release. And again, press 1, 2, 3, and release. One last time. Keep bringing that leg even closer to your chest. Keep going, keep going. You can do it. Awesome. Release down. Now you're going to open your feet farther apart. And then you're going to bring knee together inwards. I'm going to hold it and open. And let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, and release. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we are going to do frog position. Feet together and knee at this point are going to be open away from each other. I'm going to open and close as we've been doing. 3 seconds open, 3 seconds relax. Take your time, breathe. Okay, so now you're going to bring legs together towards your chest and you're going to give a hug to your legs before moving towards to our next stretch. Feel your back relaxing. Enjoy this quick stretch. And now we are going to do lunge position. Left leg in front of you. You're going to press hips down and hold it for 3 seconds and rest 3 seconds. Breathe in and out. Hold it for 1, 2, 3. And relax. One more time. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, you're going to bring hips back, stretch your front leg, flex your toes up, and lower torso down. Relax and breathe in. And out, lower down. And up. And again, lower down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring your front leg back together with the other one. Hips down, sit over your legs and stretch forward, hands in front of you, and feel the stretch on your back. Next, we're going to do everything with the other leg. Open your right leg in front of you. Press hips down, open chest, and relax. 1, 2, 3, and relax. Breathe in, breathe out, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips back, stretch your front leg, toes facing the ceiling, and lower down. 1, 2, 3, and chest up. And 1, 2, 3, and up. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up. Legs together, hips down, sit on top of your legs, and stretch your back. Last but not least, we're going to do quadricep stretches. Move closer to a wall or a chair, and you're going to place one leg in front of you like a lunge position, and carefully bend your back leg and press down towards your thighs. So use your arm to hold your toes and press that leg slowly towards your glutes. We are going to release, change to the other leg. Please make sure that your front knee is in a straight line with that ankle, okay? Don't forget to breathe. It's our last exercise. And that is a daily stretching routine that you can do at home to stretch or to warm up.